Ooh, what's up, internet? My name's Nerdy, and this is a finale. The final episode of season 1 of my favorite show on TV right now. Well, it's tough. This and Shogun, both so good. But this is Solo Leveling, season 1 finale, episode 12, Arise. I'm not stoked right now, but not because the show isn't amazing. The show's amazing. I want to be clear. This is one of my favorite things. I don't want it to end. I got to episode 12 of Delicious in Dungeon and then found out that there's 12 more episodes of Delicious in Dungeon, and I was like, dope, maybe that's true for Solo Leveling too, as well. It's not. As far as I can tell. I might be wrong. I find finding like anime release schedules hard. Harder than normal television for some reason. And I don't know why that is. But Solo Leveling rocks. Let's watch the finale, and I will try not to be too sad about the fact that I have to wait for more of what has quickly become one of my favorite shows. If you want the full-length reaction, go to patreon.com/nerdynightly, but if you don't, stay here, because you're already here, and the video is about to begin. Okay, you don't have mana. How can you, like... What could he do here? Oh my god, his knuckles? That's fucked. Oh! That's just tendon. That's straight tendon, y'all. Which can be delicious, but... Is the room just fucking with him?
Son-kun, もういい。これ以上無理はするな。それだけでも十分だと思え。違うか。ジヌ。
Ooh, that's fucking wild. I don't need myself to come tell me that I've gone as far as I can go. That might break me, honestly. If my like 20-year-old self showed up and was like, haven't you done enough? I'd be like, oh no. Oh no. Let's get it! Reach out for it. This song slaps. I'm honestly, I need to get this song on my gym playlist. Because I could elliptical to this for like 40 straight minutes.
多くの者が犠牲となった。生きて帰ってきた者にも心に深い傷を。
The fuck happened there?
結局私にそうだし。
Oh, fuck.
向こう水の身の程知らず。
離れ。
Nice dodge. Let's go. No!
Oh my
god, those eyes are fucking horrifying. Is he gonna have to go fight the fucking centipede? Oh my god. Wait, can he use his potions and shit here? Because they were blocked in the job change. I would love if that centipede popped out and it was green.
重症状態ではポーションで HP の回復ができないということか。どうやら余計な心配だったようだ。
Oh, orange, okay.
また会おう。そうだな。
Okay. I love the way they set up. Because even last episode, right, I was like, oh, he's going to get out of this crazy quest and then immediately go to the penalty zone. But the foreshadowing of the incoming penalty, saving him from that, brilliant. Well done. Because it lets him learn the lesson
まさか彼女ができたんじゃなわけないか。
Oh, fuck.
レベルアップで回復できるのは便利だな。
I feel like his penalty zone needs to level up.
装備を整えよう。
Ooh. Oh, because it's still going to drop him back in the job change. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
マナーが不要なスキルか。効
Oh
率は
shit,
良
he
さ
gets
そうだ。
fucking telekinesis. Alright. No, telepathy. No. Telekinesis. Yeah, I was right the first time.
あとは運に任せるしかない。
Nah, it's up to perseverance. Come on, Jinwoo, you got this.
たった数時間で数がバカみたいに増えてんじゃん。
Cool. Oh, I can't wait to fucking see what's on Jeju Island.
これは。素手なんかよりよっぽどいい。
This is so much better than punching metal with my hands.
ゲート、召喚魔法か。ナイトたちはただ召喚。
Oh, shit.
魔法使い、お前たちだ。やはりか。
Oh my god, Jinwoo. Come on, you gotta play more video games, dude. I could have told you that so much faster. Just metal. Oh, I love the way they visualize that fucking hand.
いつまで後ろに隠れている気だ。
Hey. Yes, let's go.
数が減ってお前たちを狙いやすくなったぞ。
Behind you. Got a little dash. Use a little bit of a dash there to get through. Fuck, this show's so goddamn cool. Like, as far as animation goes, what a beautifully animated scope for that to happen in. That was awesome.
終わったようだな。
Its thirst restraint calls forth the ghosts that roam the Valley of Death. Ghosts summoned by the Shadow Army will follow the player's orders as the Shadow Army and make way only for the player.
亡者の軍。
Am I the bad guy?
俺の職業。
Your job is necromancer? Oh no.
公営職のネクロマンサーになってしまえば、それらも無駄になる。はい、いいえ。いえ。隠し職業。
It's a hidden fuck. This game is fucking with him and I love it.
ネクロマンサーが前線で戦ってはいけないということはない。
It's more, think of it more of a multi-class than a job change. You know what I mean?
つまり、俺だけがレベルアップするんじゃなくなる。
He said the title of the thing. Wait, he said the title of the thing.
夜が明けてきたな。
チェーハンターたちはそろそろ到着する頃かと。
Yeah, if they got past whatever was in the fucking water. Your bonus points have exceeded the threshold of your brand new class. That's crazy. Shadow Monarch. Wow, Necromancer didn't last very long.
悲鳴のようなものが聞こえてくる。まるで苦痛を訴えているかのようだ。
He can pull these people back.
起きろ。
Okay. I get the title of the episode now.
もし A 級や S 級の影が抽出できて、その強さが生きていた時の強さに影響されるのなら。
Okay. It was one thing to defeat the guy, but to defeat him and then steal his soul to fight for you, it feels disrespectful.
起きろ。
Oh, fuck, that's cool.
これがさっき書いてあったことか。
You gotta say it with more conviction. You gotta really put your whole Jinwusi into it, you know?
いなくなった野郎の椅子なんか守ってないで、目の前にいる俺を守ってくれ。起きろ。
Okay, that was cool as shit. Oh. Let's go!
我々の想像を超える新たな希望の光となるような力を持つ者が。
I don't know if he's a guiding light. I'm little worried Jinwoo's becoming a villain. When the souls of the dead are kneeling to you, it's like hero, villain, I don't know.
よろしく頼む。
Okay. It doesn't go back to Jiju? There might be a post-credit scene, so I'm gonna wait until the end of the post-credits. I love that as a finale. For a season. Really, really love that for a finale. I think that there's a great moment of lesson learning for the lead. I think that there's a great moment of accepting and like fulfilling a new power and a new promise. I think that there is promise for stories of the future. This did a lot of what I want from a finale. It showed the lessons of the season and how it culminates into this moment. It foreshadowed and played into the foreshadowing of the penalty zone and that like coming back from, 9 episodes ago. I think that if you're gonna end a season of television, this is an episode to do it on, right? It is the end of an arc and the beginning of the next in the way that you want. I think Jinwoo is an incredible character. I do think that the show is starting to hint that maybe he isn't the hero. And I think that's fascinating. And not that Jinwoo is a bad person. I want to be clear. It's that Jinwoo is working for a system that he does not know the morality of. And so while he might think that that system is a net positive, he cannot be sure. Oh, yeah. Post-credit scene. Fucking called it.
しかし、これは進化している。
Those were wings. Oh, they got goddamn wings. Okay, that's bad. Yeah, it's really bad. Okay, Jeju Island might not be like Jurassic Park. They might not need a boat to get off. They might just be able to fly there themselves. They are like the pterodactyls. Damn. What a season, man. I love how much this show works for me. And if you're like, you know what, you are glazing the shit out of this, it's not that good, that's fine. You can think that. I don't really care, right? I'm not here to convince you that this is amazing. All I can say is that to me, this is amazing. This was a story, and hopefully will continue to be a story that just hit me in the exact way that I wanted it to, while still managing to surprise me. And that is really special to me. A story that can both satisfy the craving that I have from it and also give me things that I didn't expect simultaneously and never lose me once all season. I was just in from that first episode all the way to the end, and it just fucking works for me. And if it doesn't for you, I'm sorry, because fuck, this ride has been amazing. I feel it's like midnight. I feel hyped. I feel so fucking good right now. And I just want more. I just want more solo leveling. And like, I want to play the game that's coming out. I won't, because I know there's spoilers in it, and I'm going to try so hard to remain spoiler free for season 2. But yeah, there's so much. If I had to levy a criticism at the show, if I had to, I think it would be that I think that I wish I had a little bit more from some of the background characters. They all have really cool designs, and they don't have a lot of personality to me yet, and I don't really care about them. It's a minor criticism because the show is so heavily in the hands of Jinwoo. And I think that those stories are coming later. So I'm not really that concerned about it because I love Jinwoo so much. I love his sister. I really do. We don't get a lot of her, but I really feel her personality come through. And also her persistence in bettering herself while the world around her is really hard, right? And it's getting a little bit easier because her brother's making more money, and you know, their day-to-day is a little bit easier. But the weight of her mom being sick and the amount she is working to become a doctor to kind of like rise above that is so impressive. And I love characters like that. I love how committed she is to her studies. I love that she isn't a character that Jinwoo is trying to like constantly chase back to her studies or something like that. She isn't a source of conflict for him. She is her own source of strength. And rather than making her kind of the like ditzy younger sister that is a point of pain for the character, for Jinwoo, she is rather a collaborative person within their home who is also building their home up to be something better than it was before. And so I think the pairing of the two of them is really smart. I think it also says a lot about Jinwoo, that this is what their family's like. That in their family, they work hard to get where they're going. And so that kind of builds into this character that we see of him through 12 episodes, because he's the protagonist, he's our main character. And so all of the ancillary characters around him are in some way going to mirror something towards him or reflect something onto him. And they're all going to help us see him better, right? That's just kind of how storytelling lifts our protagonist up. And the way that she, by being his sister and having that same virtue of hard work and that work ethic that I think is so admirable, is really special. It's really good storytelling, and it's not in the dialogue. It's not obliquely said. It is just so persistently shown in the background of all of this that the storytelling of it becomes really clear by the end of what they're trying to go for with this relationship between these siblings. And I love that kind of storytelling. I love this kind of storytelling. I really do. I think that from beginning to end, this show was something special. And I think the animation is so beautiful. I love the motion of the action. I think that all of the fights are really, really, really smooth in a way that just makes my fucking lizard brain hum. And I'm just going to miss it, honestly. It reminds me of the way that I came to love Chainsaw Man, but I think I like the show more. There's some weird shit in Chainsaw Man. This show doesn't lean into the like horny boy trope that I'm not the biggest fan of in anime. I know other people love it. It's just not my favorite. I like that Jinwoo never leans into that. I really love that we never got a jokey scene where Jinwoo uses his power to peeping Tom on a girl. So yeah, I just, where I'm at right now, this was fucking awesome. It really was. I hope the person who wrote this manhwa, I hope they fucking know they can take a victory lap on it. And maybe it falls apart. Who knows? They might, it might just completely become trash by the end. But fuck, for the first 12 episodes, chef's kiss. Very, very, almost no notes. And for the finale, no notes. That was a great final episode of TV. And I'm just so psyched for the next season. If you like this video, like, subscribe to the channel. If you don't, hit the dislike button. Leave mean comments down below, because the algorithm god is hungry and we must feed her. This episode, that algorithm goddess is Jinwoo's sister, whose name I really need to learn. I am not good with names, y'all. I pick up like 2 names per show, and then everyone else is just a relationship to the protagonist. If you want to follow me around the internet, you can. I'm at nerdynightly. Do something nerdy tonight.